Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how we can do statistics in Python. In statistics we deal with data, we collect the data and we analyze the data, and on the basis of that we come to the conclusion. So in this video we will be using NumPy library. NumPy library provides useful built-in tools and standard statistical function to compute for minimum, maximum, percentile, standard deviation, and we can find the variance, correlation, etc. NumPy stands for Numerical Python. It is a core library for scientific computing in Python. It consists of multi-dimensional array objects and tools for working with these arrays. Three terms which are extensively used in statistics and analysis of a data set and are interrelated are variance, covariance, and correlation. So now we will study how they are interrelated and how they are different from each other. So have a look. Variance is a measure of variability from the mean. Covariance is a measure of relationship between variability of two variables. And correlation or correlation coefficient defines the statistical relationship between two data sets and their interdependence. Variance tells us how a single variable varies, but covariance tells us how two variables vary together. So covariance shows how the two variables are related to each other. The formula for covariance is here xi is the value of the x variables, yj is the values for the y variable, x bar is the mean average of the x variable, y bar is the mean average of the y variable, and n is the number of data points. Next topic is correlation. Correlation between different variables may be either positive or negative. Positive correlation: when the two variables move in the same direction, that is, if one increases then the other also increases, and if one decreases then the other also decreases. So such a relation is called positive correlation. For example, relationship between price and supply. Negative correlation: when the two variables change in different direction. For example, the relationship between price and demand. So both the price and the demand, they are inversely proportional to each other. If one increases then the other decreases, and if the one decreases then the other increases. So this show inverse relationship. Correlation may be linear or non-linear. Linear correlation: when the two variables change in a constant proportion, it is called linear correlation. Non-linear correlation. Non-linear correlation: when the two variables do not change in any constant proportion. The relationship is called non-relation. There are different methods of estimating the correlation. Some of the important ones mentioned in your book are scatter diagram method. Second is Karl-Pearson coefficient. Third one is the Spearman rank coefficient. Next topic is scatter diagram. Scatter diagram offers a graphic expression of the direction and the degree of correlation. To make a scatter diagram, the data are plotted on a graph paper. A dot is marked for each value. The closeness of the dots towards each other in a particular direction indicates higher degree of correlation. If the dots are scattered, then it indicates the low degree of correlation. Next topic is linear regression. Linear regression is a method used to find a relationship between dependent variable and independent variable. For example, you must have plotted the graph between y and x variable in mathematics. Type 1. Simple linear regression. There is only one independent variable in it. For example, the price of the house depends only on one field, that is the size of the plot. Type 2. Multiple linear regression. In multiple linear regression, there are more than one independent variables. So there are many independent variables